Hello guys, and welcome to today's video whereby we will be talking about jobs which have been shared in my friend's YouTube channel. My friend is in Canada and her name is Joyce K. Canada. For those who have not followed her, it's good you follow up to see updates on how to immigrate to Canada. But the last one day she has shared a video of how you can get jobs while you are in your country. And the jobs are so many, and it's high time that we as people in other countries take the initiative and apply for those jobs, because sometimes these chances are not so many and they come once, and after a few days the positions are filled. Then we wait for maybe another 3-4 months before we get other chances. Anyway, as I was checking Joyce Canada's channel, I was able to see that she shared new jobs in a state in a province called New Brunswick. New Brunswick is in Canada, and she had her own live video of showing how you can apply for those jobs. So for those guys who have not visited our channel, it's good you go visit our channel and like and leave a comment. We grow together with her. Anyway, the jobs are in this website. Let me see whether I'll bring the channel, the website. It's called gb.hiring.platform.ca. Anyway, I'll leave the link in the description of this video and in the comments. Anyway, you can go to that website and try to apply for those jobs before they disappear, because they don't take long before they pull them down after they fill the positions. Basically, what it means, this is the is a forum for New Brunswick, which is a Canadian province. Canada has so many provinces, but each province has its own immigration program, which is based on their current labor needs. So once they assess that they need a certain what do you call it? A certain career, a certain group of people, they go ahead and advertise for those jobs and allow people now to apply for them. So the website, I'll share it in the description of this video. But to mention that a few of the jobs which are in that website is, let me start by reading. Employers in New Brunswick are recruiting for the following positions. One is senior managers, financial, communication and other business services. 2 is financial managers. Another one is other administrative service managers. The other one is other business services managers, financial auditors and accountants, supervisors, finance and insurance office workers, accounting technicians and bookkeepers, mechanical engineers, chemical engineers. And guys, as you can realize, these jobs have their own links whereby you go and check whether the NOC code, which for that kind of job corresponds with what you do in your job, so that when you get a letter from your employer saying that they have employed you, the job description and your job duties, the ones you do in your current job, relate to what is required in those jobs. So you click the links as you see it's highlighted. If it's chemical engineers, go and check the NOC code. And if you need more information on NOC codes, there is a whole website and a whole page in the Canadian immigration page, which details how to check your NOC code. So the next one is computer engineers, except with the exception of software engineers and designers, information systems and analysts and consultants, database analysts and data administrators, software engineers and designers, computer programmers and interactive media developers, web designers and developers, computer network technicians, information systems testing technicians. And just to mention one thing, as you can see, there are so many classification of computer experts who are required. From right here, computer engineers, except software developers, except software engineers and designers. There is a whole wide range of computer professions which are required in Canada. So what you can deduce from this is that they have a shortage of computer experts, and if you have any kind of expertise or any kind of knowledge, be it a degree or diploma in computer science, you can try your luck by applying for one of these jobs. The other one is registered nurses and registered psychiatric nurses, licensed practical nurses. And in this one, Joyce stressed about registered nurses and registered psychiatric nurses. What you can see is that if you click on this link, it will take you to the NOC code, and it says that it's required for nurses to be registered. But Joyce said that for this one, you can try without getting the actual license in the one which is required for you to practice in Canada. But she said that it's possible for them to give you a temporary license with which you can practice with if they employ you, the employer on it. So they can give you a temporary practicing license with which you can work for, let's say, some few months or a year before you get your own license. So the other one is secondary school teachers, elementary school and kindergarten teachers, early childhood educators and assistants, machinists and machining tool inspectors, welders and related machine operators, electricians with the exception of industrial and power system, plumbers, carpenters, tile setters, roofers, and shinglers, painters and decorators with an exception of interior decorators, and construction millwrights and industrial mechanics and transport truck drivers. As you can see, if you are a transport truck driver, for example, you are the people who drive the trucks which apply the Mombasa, Nairobi, Uganda, Rwanda route, and you have done your IELTS exam, and you have maybe done your ECA. Your ECA is the one for WES. WES is the academic credential evaluation. If you've done this and you can demonstrate that you can drive your truck, because these provinces in Canada require people to drive their trucks because they have a shortage of laborers. They need drivers to drive trucks between the different provinces and sometimes to the USA and the border which borders Canada. So for our guys in Kenya, you can try this one, or in Africa. And the one for construction millwrights and industrial mechanics has been popping up because the last time they were advertising for job, it was still there. So anyway, before you begin this process, you need to read the following carefully, and I read. There are 4 pages in the registration form. Once you complete a page and click next, you cannot go back and change any information previously entered. Before you click next, at the bottom of any page, be sure to review the page to ensure that all information entered is correct and all requested documents have been uploaded. And there's a list of things you'll need before you apply for these jobs. So I read the list. The first one is the photo of your current passport. So you'll require, that is a must, you'll require the photo page of your current passport, and visa for your current country of legal residence. For example, if you are living in another country, you'll need a visa to show that you're in that country legally. And if you are living in your own country, I don't think you require this one. So you just show the passport. Number 3, your language test results. And in bracket, they're saying required if you have completed a language test. So this one is not mandatory, but if you have it, you can attach it. Your ECA report, and in bracket, says required if you have completed. So that's not mandatory again, but if you have it, the better, you can upload it. Your CV, they're saying your CV is required. In this case, you will require a Canadian standard CV to be able to apply for this job, so it's a must. And Joyce said that she has a whole video dedicated to how to write a Canadian CV, because it's not like our normal CV, which is maybe 10 pages. The Canadian CV, the Canadian one is a leaner one, and there are things you obviously omit. So the next one is your spouse's CV. It's optional, and you can upload it. If you have your spouse, it's good now that you include her CV or his CV, such that they want to see how employer view your CV. your partner is, and how they will be able to easily adapt to the Canadian work environment, and with those training a lot. So what they're saying is, once you register, you will receive an email confirming that we have received the information, and only selected individuals will receive an invitation to participate. By registering for this event, as you can realize, this recruitment event, understand that there is no guarantee or implied expectation that you will receive an invitation. So what they basically mean is that they're just developing a pool of applicants for jobs. Then they select the ones who are near fit or fit what they need in the labor market. Then they interview you, and they guide you through the process. So as you can see now, you come here, fill your details there, your last name, your email, you confirm your email, then you click you understand, then you click next and fill those things as required. So basically there is no harm in trying out these jobs, and there are so many, and our people I believe have an expertise in the range of all these, starting from senior managers all the way to other technical jobs like millwrights and truck drivers. And our registered nurses, it's high time we explore other countries, because once you go to those countries, the kind of salaries you get is not comparable to what is being paid locally. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. We'll continue making other career related videos to guide people on how to try out new things, and maybe if you are stuck somewhere in your career, it's good to try and make a change and break from that cycle you've been into. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and what you can do to assist us is to grow together is like this video, share it to your friends, and also consider subscribing, because if you subscribe, it is shared to so many other people, and we end up helping other people get jobs. Thank you for watching, and welcome. Bye.